They've survived radiation, boiling water, freezing vacuum, and even the harsh environment of outer space. These incredible feats of endurance are not from a creature of science fiction, but from a real-life marvel. No, it's not a sci-fi alien, it's the tardigrade. This microscopic animal, also known as a water bear, is considered the most indestructible animal on Earth, and its capabilities suggest it might even be beyond our terrestrial understanding. Tardigrades, also known as water bears or moss piglets, are tiny, squishy creatures, typically measuring about half a millimeter long. Their small size belies their incredible toughness and adaptability. You can find them almost anywhere across the globe, from the highest mountaintops to the deepest ocean floors, clinging to rainforest leaves, and even in the moss right in your backyard garden. Their omnipresence is a testament to their survival skills. Despite their minuscule size, these microanimals are true survival legends, capable of enduring conditions that would instantly kill nearly all other forms of life on our planet. Tardigrades have been around for an astonishingly long time, over 500 million years, which means they predate the dinosaurs by hundreds of millions of years, witnessing Earth's earliest life forms. They've remarkably survived every single mass extinction event Earth has experienced, from asteroid impacts to widespread volcanic eruptions and ice ages, demonstrating an unparalleled ability to persist through cataclysmic changes. Scientists hypothesize that their extraordinary resilience stems from an ancient evolutionary toolkit, a set of biological adaptations that allows them to thrive in environments no other animal can possibly tolerate. When environmental conditions become extreme and life-threatening, tardigrades activate a remarkable process called cryptobiosis, their ultimate survival mode, allowing them to enter a state of suspended animation. During cryptobiosis, they lose nearly all their body water, shrinking into a tiny, dehydrated ball known as a ton. In this state, their metabolism slows to an almost undetectable level, preserving their life functions. In this ton state, there's no discernible heartbeat, no breathing, and virtually no metabolic activity. Yet, despite appearing lifeless, they are still very much alive, merely in a state of profound dormancy. In this cryptobiotic form, they can survive for decades, patiently waiting for favorable conditions to return. Once rehydrated, they can miraculously come back to life, resuming their normal activities as if nothing happened. These tiny tanks can endure an incredible range of temperatures, from the near absolute zero of -272 degrees Celsius to a scorching 150 degrees Celsius. They can also withstand pressures 6 times greater than those found in the deepest part of the Mariana Trench and radiation levels that would instantly obliterate humans. In a groundbreaking experiment in 2007, the European Space Agency sent tardigrades into orbit, exposing them directly to the vacuum and radiation of space. Astonishingly, upon their return to Earth, many were not only still alive, but also capable of reproducing, proving their extraterrestrial survival capabilities. Scientists have made a significant discovery. Tardigrades produce special proteins known as DUP, which stands for damage suppressor. These unique proteins are crucial to their ability to withstand extreme conditions. These DUP proteins function like microscopic shields, wrapping themselves around the tardigrade's DNA. This protective layer effectively blocks and mitigates damage from harmful radiation, safeguarding their genetic material. Beyond DUP, tardigrades also produce specific sugars, such as trehalose and other intrinsically disordered proteins. These compounds play a vital role in preserving their cellular structures and membranes when they undergo extreme desiccation, preventing damage during drying out. It's truly like biological armor, a natural survival suit meticulously crafted by evolution, allowing them to withstand environments that are otherwise completely inhospitable to life. The extraordinary survival mechanisms of tardigrades are now inspiring groundbreaking new ideas and research in fields like medicine and space science, offering potential solutions to some of humanity's biggest challenges. Imagine the possibilities. freezing organs for transplant without causing any damage, or sending humans on long-duration deep space missions, protected by genetic enhancements inspired by tardigrade biology. These concepts are moving from science fiction to scientific possibility. Some researchers are even actively experimenting with incorporating tardigrade DNA, specifically the ZUP gene, into human cells. The goal is to potentially increase our own resistance to radiation, opening doors for safer medical treatments and space travel. Yes, the idea of creating space-proof humans capable of enduring the harsh cosmic environment might not be as far-fetched as it once seemed, thanks to the lessons learned from these tiny creatures. Tardigrades serve as a profound reminder that life, in its most fundamental forms, possesses an incredible capacity to adapt and persist against seemingly impossible odds, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was survivable. They've not only survived, but thrived on Earth, deep under the ocean, and even beyond our planet's protective atmosphere. This remarkable resilience is undeniable proof that life is not fragile, but rather an unstoppable force, capable of enduring the most extreme conditions imaginable. If life this small and seemingly simple can survive the vacuum of space and other cosmic perils, it truly makes one wonder, who knows what other incredible forms of life, with equally astonishing survival abilities, might be out there in the vast universe? So, the next time you observe the moss glistening after a refreshing rain shower, take a moment to remember, you might just be looking at Earth's toughest and most resilient creature, quietly going about its extraordinary life. Stay curious, keep exploring the wonders of our world, and be sure to follow or subscribe for more fascinating insights into tiny wonders and the grand scientific stories they tell.